Imagine waking up each morning knowing your bills are covered, your future is secure, and you're free to spend your time as you choose. Financial freedom isn't just a dream reserved for the ultra-rich. It's a practical goal that's possible for anyone willing to commit to a system and a mindset. If you're ready to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and start building lasting wealth, listen closely as we uncover the essential steps that can transform your financial life. Financial freedom isn't about flashy cars or sprawling mansions. It's about having the ability to support the life you want, on your terms, without the constant stress of debt or uncertainty. Achieving it starts with understanding the difference between earning more and simply spending less. Instead of focusing on surface-level status, true financial independence means peace of mind, security, and options. And no matter where you're starting, these key steps can guide you on the path. First, everything begins in your mind. The most successful wealth builders practice discipline and think long-term. They understand the power of delayed gratification, resisting the urge to spend impulsively in favor of saving and investing for the future. To build wealth, adopt a mindset that values growth and learning. See money as a tool to achieve your goals, not just something to spend as soon as it hits your account. When you change your perspective, you lay the foundation for lasting financial habits. Next, take control of your cash flow. You can't build wealth if you don't know where your money goes. Start by tracking every dollar, your income, and your expenses. Review your spending patterns and identify areas to cut back. Create a budget that ensures your expenses are less than your earnings. That difference, no matter how small, is your savings, and it's the seed for future wealth. Small, consistent savings add up over time, and the discipline you build here will pay dividends later. The third step is to eliminate high-interest debt. Credit card balances and expensive loans are silent killers of wealth. As long as you're paying high interest, you're working for someone else. Make a plan to pay down these debts as quickly as possible. Consider the money you save on interest as buying back your financial freedom. Prioritize debts with the highest rates and attack them systematically. Once you're free from the burden of debt, every dollar you earn works harder for you. Step 4 is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and without a safety net, even a small setback can derail your progress. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a safe, easily accessible account. This buffer gives you peace of mind and protects you from financial shocks, allowing you to stay focused on your long-term goals. With a foundation in place, it's time to invest for growth. Savings alone won't make you wealthy. Investing is where your money starts working for you. Explore options like stocks, real estate, index funds, or even starting a side business. The magic of compound growth means your money can multiply over time, far beyond what you could achieve by saving alone. Start small if you need to, but start early. Time is your greatest ally in building wealth. Step 6 is to create multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is risky and limits your potential. Wealthy people diversify through side hustles, passive investments, businesses, or royalties. Every new stream of income strengthens your financial foundation and brings you closer to independence. Protecting your wealth is step 7. Insurance, estate planning, and smart risk management ensure that what you've built remains secure. It's not just about making money. It's also about keeping it safe from unexpected events. Finally, commit to continuous learning and adaptation. The world of money and finance is always changing. Stay curious, keep learning, and adjust your strategies as your life evolves. Wealth building isn't a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey. Financial freedom isn't luck. It's a process of deliberate steps and smart choices. Master your mindset, control your cash, eliminate debt, save, invest, diversify, and protect what you've built. Start small, but start today. Every step brings you closer to the freedom you deserve.